Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add Metamask extension on Mrs. Browser. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Mrs. Browser, and when you have opened it, there will be a search bar. So you just have to click on the search bar and type Metamask, and Metamask will be opened. Now you just have to click on the search result that has Metamask test and a Fox logo in it. Just open it, and when you open it, you will be able to access the Metamask website, and there will be a download button. You just have to click on the download button, and when you click on the download button, you will be redirected to that browser store. So you just have to install the Metamask, and when the installation is completed, the browser will ask if you want to add extension. So you just have to accept their invitation, and after that you will be able to add Metamask account to Mrs. Browser. So this is how to easily add Metamask extension on Mrs. Browser. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.